Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy for June and my Boxycharm by Ipsy for June. If you're unfamiliar with our Boxycharm by Ipsy, we'll dive into this one first. This is a $28 monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 full-size makeup products, makeup, skin, hair, etc. First up on top, I see the Beauty Bakery Lemon Bar Face Palette, and it looks to be 2 bronzers and then a more highlight shade. As the packaging, I think it has super cute packaging. It does feel a little bit not super weighted. I do like that there are 2 different shades of bronzer in here, so it can be a little bit more inclusive. I will do some swatches for y'all. The highlight feels not like my favorite type of formula. The bronzers feel nice. So that is the bronzers and the highlight. Next up is the Rose Ink Micellar Makeup Remover. I do remember getting this. I'm excited about this. This is a micellar no rinse cleanser that dissolves makeup and pollution while delivering the benefits of a barrier protecting serum. So that sounds awesome. This is incredibly weighted and very, very luxe feeling. So I'm excited to try this. If you've tried this, let us know. Okay, that's cool. It comes in like the little thing, kind of like my little Fenty lip product. That is really neat. I will definitely update you guys on this. Let me know if you've tested it out though. Next up is a set of Farrah brushes. We have the blush and contour and the blush and powder. I will take these out and show you these as well. This one kind of feels a little flimsy. I like a brush, and it's very dusty, good gracious. I like a brush that is quite thick and dense, so I'll put this maybe in my like giveaway pile or something like that. Let's see how this one feels. Kind of the same thing with this one, and there's literally little dusties flying everywhere. I would typically recommend to wash your brushes before you use them. So you can see the shapes. They feel okay as far as having a little bit of weight and stuff to them, but they feel kind of cheap a little bit. So I'm going to put them right back in the bag. Next up is, I've tried a couple masks from Mud Masky. This is the Mud Masky Glam Care Perfection Serum Infused Primer. Oh, nice. Blurring, correcting, anti-aging, hydrating, and unifying, and fragrance free. I will also update you guys on this. I'm excited about that. And then this, I already knew that I was getting, and I had actually gotten this in my PR package, and I gave it to my mama. I do have a demo of this and a video up with this particular palette, so I will pop that up here for you guys. But it's the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad, and it was in the shade or color story called The Shots. And even now, picking it up right now, I'm going to say the same thing, and I'm going to reiterate, this feels incredibly luxe, incredibly heavy, and very, very well made. It was a neutral quad. This is more of a like cream to matte or cream to powder type of formula, and then some different shimmers. I like that tonally they're very different, and I feel like many skin tones could use this. The formulation was great. It lasted all day on my lids, and again, that packaging, y'all, like, look, you could carry this in your purse and it could become a whipping. Okay, honey. So, loved it. And I knew I was getting this one because I picked it for this bag. So, I gave the other one to my mama because I knew she would like it. Next up is our OG Ipsy bag. And I've gotten Ipsy since like 2015. This one is $13 monthly. And you'll get 5 travel try me size items and then a small cosmetics bag. Again, and everything can be makeup, hair, skin, tools, etc. Alright, here's our bag. It is the exact same bag that I received in my PR. I think there were 2 variations this month. It feels pretty well constructed. I like that it has kind of like the pleathery and then the mesh and then the little zipper pull says love. I thought it was so cute. I think this would be great to like carry your feminine products in. It could be great to take to the beach with you. And this month's theme for our bags was Ready, Set, Play, June 2023. This month, give yourself permission to play. Whether you're escaping on a summer vacay or exploring a brand new beauty look with mood-boosting makeup and happy hits of color. Just remember, the world is your playground, so have fun with it. And normally we would have information about the products, but Ipsy, where's my information at, honey? And I feel like this, if they're not going to send you the information that you need, the pertinent deets and stuff like that, save this. We don't need it. Save it. All right, I'm gonna dive in. The first thing I see is a Wing Me 05 brush, eyeshadow brush. That very much looks like a calligraphy pen or something like that. I like that it has a little bit of weight, and I like the length, and oh mama, does that feel soft. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Ooh, that feels really soft. That, honestly, that feels like my Wayne Goss brush. That feels very nice. Next up is a repeat that I had gotten in my PR package. This is the Philosophy Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Face Wash. Another repeat is the Marc Anthony Repair Bond and Rescue Plex Leave-In Treatment. And now that I'm coloring my hair, oh yeah, I colored my hair, the top part of it. Now that I'm coloring my hair, I probably keep stuff like this on hand just to be safe. Oh, I love this. This is the Antidotes Liquid Concealer Corrector Liquid from The Balm, and I got the shade 18. I actually did not know it was a concealer. I thought it was a foundation. So most likely I'll use it as a foundation. And then last in my bag is the Give Them Lala Beauty Mascara. It just says Give Them Lala Beauty, so we're gonna hope that it's a good mascara. Very kind of plain, simple component. I don't mind that as long as the product inside is nice, and it does say they are cruelty free. So overall, I think a banger. I think a really, really good month. I'm super excited about this. I'm excited about the brush. The palette I already know that I love. I'm very excited about this. I'm excited about the rose ink. The Beauty Bakery palette, I'm probably going to give this away to my niece or somebody. It just doesn't feel great quality, and I don't like the texture of this. It's very, I don't know. It almost feels thick and oily. I don't know how to explain it, you guys. And it could be great, but it's also not a color I'm going to traditionally use. So I'll most likely pass this along. So of everything here, and then the brush is feeling like not as dense as I would like, I feel like overall I'm going to have to give it a 4 yellow hearts out of 5, maybe a 3.8 yellow hearts. What did you guys think? Are we box twins? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.